Is that bracelet for me?
You just came back from Paris.
Yes, it was wonderful.
You did not call me once.
I was busy. Now, may I see my gift?
Do you love me?
Of course.
What do you love about me?
You are successful. You give me a beautiful life.
What if I lose everything tomorrow?
Do not say such terrible things.
Would you stay?
Blake, rich men do not ask poor questions.
You canceled the engagement dinner. Vanessa loves my name, not me. Many people do. That is the problem. I will disappear for 7 days. Disappear? No driver. No hotel. No Carter name. What are you looking for? One person who can see me without seeing my money. And if you find that person, then I will know real love still exists. For 7 days, my name is Ben.
Sir, are you all right?
I am fine.
You are shaking.
I have not eaten today.
Take this.
What about you?
I work in a restaurant. I will find something later.
Why would you help a stranger?
Because hunger does not wait for an introduction.
Did you give away the staff dinner?
He needed it.
Customers pay for food. Beggars do not.
Then take it from my salary.
You have no salary anymore. You are fired. You lost your job because of me.
No, I lost it because Cole is cruel.
Do you regret helping me?
Ask me after you finish eating. Dad, this is Ben. He has nowhere to sleep tonight.
Does he have 2 hands?
Yes, sir.
Then tomorrow he can help me fix the roof.
Dad!
A warm bed should come with honest work.
That sounds fair.
The room is simple, but the door locks.
It is more than enough. My house has 20 rooms. I never felt at home there.
This house has 2 rooms, but it feels warm.
Have you ever worked with your hands?
I type very well.
The roof does not need an email.
Who is Rose?
My mother. This was her restaurant.
Why did it close?
She became sick. We borrowed money for her treatment.
After she died, we could not pay the debt.
I wanted to open it again one day.
Why not now?
No money, no kitchen, no customers.
You have a cook.
Me?
And 2 workers.
I am too old.
Then 1.5 workers. Emma, you are wasting your time.
It is my time.
Marry me. I will pay your father's debt.
No.
I own the biggest restaurant in town.
You also fired me for feeding a hungry man.
You are choosing him over me?
I am choosing myself.
That poor man cannot give you anything.
He gave my father respect. That is more than you ever gave us.
You have 30 days to settle this contract.
The loan belongs to the old bank.
I bought it this morning. When they lose this place, you will lose your free bed. Maybe you bought the paper. You did not buy their courage. Our main costs are food and rent.
How do you know so much about business?
I used to work for a large company.
What happened?
I forgot why I was working.
And now?
Now I wake up with a reason.
Ben, when this restaurant opens, you can stay.
As a worker?
As someone important to me.
What if I am not the man you think I am?
Then tell me before I fall in love with the wrong man.
Emma, before we open the door, I need to tell you.
Blake Carter. Have you lost your mind? Who is Blake Carter? He is the billionaire owner of Carter Group.
That homeless man is a billionaire?
He was testing you, Emma. He wanted to see if a poor girl could love him without his money. Is that true?
At first, yes.
Was every meal a test?
No.
Was every smile a test?
Emma, what I feel is real.
But Ben is not real.
Ben is the most honest part of me.
An honest man does not begin with a lie. Please leave. Take it. Consider it payment for entertaining him. I do not want his money. Then you really are foolish.
Emma, this changes everything. Ask Blake to pay the debt.
No.
You may lose the restaurant.
Then I will lose it standing on my own feet.
Do not buy the forgiveness you could not earn.
What should I do?
Become the man she believed Ben was.
Dad!
Get out, Emma!
Why are you here?
Because this is where I want to be. Run, Emma! Don't look back!
Hurry, Blake! Are you both okay?
You could have sent workers. Emma did not feed a worker that night. She fed me. So I came myself.
The building is damaged. The loan is unpaid. This land is mine now.
We still have 23 days.
Not anymore. The storm changed the agreement. No, it did not. Cole changed the date after he bought the loan. That is a lie. The bank kept a digital copy. Your signature was added yesterday. You also ordered your workers to block the water drain behind this building. You are under arrest. Emma, tell them this is a mistake.
You said money gives you everything. It cannot buy your way out of this. You paid for the wood.
Only after everyone agreed.
You repaired the kitchen.
Your father made me redo 3 cabinets.
They were terrible.
I came here to test your heart. Instead, you showed me what was wrong with mine.
You hurt me, Blake.
I know.
I cannot love a man who tests me whenever he feels afraid.
Then I promise, there will be no more tests.
And no more false names.
No more false names.
I need time.
I will wait without hiding. Are you really Blake Carter? Today, I am the waiter.
And not a very fast one. Blake, you cannot be serious. You belong in the city.
I belong where I am loved.
She is only a waitress. No, I am the owner. And she built this place twice. Remove Miss Vanessa's name from every family event.
Yes, madam.
You cannot shut me out over one mistake. This was not a mistake. It was your character. Thank you for feeding my son when he had nothing. He had something. What? A terrible attitude.
The first time we sat here, I had billions of dollars.
And you still took my dinner.
I was hungry.
So was I.
Why did you give it to me?
Because you looked more alone than hungry.
Emma Reed, you loved me when you believed I had nothing. Will you let me spend everything I have, my time, my truth, and my life, loving you?
Only if you remember one thing.
Anything.
Real love is not a test.
It is a promise.
Then yes.
I love you, Emma.
Me too.